Welcome to this introductory overview of Qvinci for franchises. Qvinci for franchises, or QFF, is a reporting solution that provides a lot of value for franchises and multi-unit type entities. At the core of Qvinci for franchises, we have a sync app, and you'll see in the middle of the screen we have an application that pulls data from a plurality of financial files: QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Online, Xero, a number of them. And automatically syncing this data, we bring it into a cloud solution at Amazon Web Services. AWS is where QuickBooks Online is hosted, where Netflix, Xero, a lot of large-scale applications are hosted. It's highly secure. As we pull the data in, we run it through a mapping solution. And the mapping solution, what it does is, as you pull all these QuickBooks files in, we know that the chart of accounts is going to be different in every one of these financial files. We take that and map it into a standardized chart of accounts for you, your standardized chart of accounts. And this will allow you to do a lot of reporting, analysis, benchmarking capabilities, not only for you, but for your franchisees as well. Now, the first franchisor value proposition we have is what we call the portal. Imagine a portal where, now that all this data is coming in and it's standardized, you and your staff members in the franchisor community, not the franchisee, but the franchisor community, your franchise development consultants, your CFO, your controller, management inside can now collaborate on all of the financial files coming from all the franchisees automatically. One place to go to look at a plurality of franchise financial performance in a very easy-to-use portal. It has things like workflow help, snapshot, drill down data, that sort of thing. We're going to show you that in the demo in the next video. In addition, we have this report authoring solution, and what this does is it allows you at the franchisor level to create standard templates. And these standard templates are usable across all of your franchisees. So you get to build a financial report and some documents and put those things together, publish them, and then you and your franchisees can run this standard report, or KPIs if you will, that you want to digest the franchise information against. So this is really, really important when you have, maybe you have 200-300 franchisees, maybe you have 1,000 franchisees, and you want to build a report one time, share it with all of them, and then it automatically constitutes correctly. Now, in addition to this report authoring, we have a packaging and publishing feature. And what this allows you to do is to create documents and then using the financial reports and assemble those into an intelligent PDF that will automatically update at runtime. And what that means is you may have standard like introductory cover page with your logo. You may have another page that says what you're about to see, franchisees, and the following pages is this. Digest it like that. And then they can look at the financial data. And what we do is we like to put that all together in an intelligent package. And when you click download, it will go out, pull the data for that franchisee, his unit or his units, and run those reports automatically. So you don't have to build reports multiple times, multiple ways for multiple franchisees. So what to do for the franchisors? Well, one, we're going to automatically sync that data from those accounting files. So you're not going to have to ask your franchisees to export a report from their financial file and submit it to you in some format, maybe, and maybe you get 15-20% compliance. This is an automatic syncing solution. Once you link and sync the files, they're going to automatically pull that data into the cloud, and it's just going to be delivered to your portal for you and your franchisees to use. So no more chasing the franchisee down. In addition, as said, all of your staff, when you and your staff log into the portal, you'll be able to collaborate across all your franchisees in one simple, easy to use place. Now, again, we're going to let you create customized reporting reports, templates, and KPIs. And then once you've got those created, you can style them. You may have custom analytics you want to put in, or you may want certain things bolded. You may want certain things side by side. Well, we allow you to style those reports and documents in the format that you want. And then, of course, once done, we're going to let you assemble them and share and publish those updated packages for all users. So the value that we provide, we're going to give you improved business intelligence. When you log into the portal, you're going to be able to drill down to unit-level financial reporting data, regardless of the accounting solution. We don't care if it's QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, Xero, QBO, QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop 2010, Accountant, doesn't matter. We're going to give you the same experience. We're going to improve your economic predictors, including peer benchmarking and KPI building. And when you look at the demo of the application, you'll see how You can standardize reporting across all your units and then begin to do some actual business intelligence and analysis for you, and your Zs can do the same kind of thing anonymously. It's going to help mitigate fraud and wastefulness. You can use, once you have data in a standardized manner, you can imagine how many ways you might use it to help improve the efficiencies of your franchisees, but also every now and then someone may make a mistake inside a franchisee unit, and this gives you the kind of visibility to be able to early detect things like that. You're going to recover a lot of man hours. If you've ever tried to collect financials from all your franchisees, you know that that is an arduous, difficult, almost impossible task. Qvinci is going to solve this by automatically consolidating financial data from multiple units. We're going to automatically collect the data, sync it, standardize it, give you the reporting. And you're going to use your chart of accounts. And there's all kinds of workflow tasks that you can put in that you can customize. You have staff internally. You may want to have your staff coordinate 2 or 3 people on using the same franchisee. The portal is going to give you that kind of capability. So like I said, we're automatically going to sync that data, like to do custom templating and styling, and then publishing, and they're going to update those reports at runtime. So the Qvinci reporting process looks like this. You'll take a Qvinci account and you'll add your staff to the portal. It's one time at startup. After that, you'll add your unit names, your franchisees, locations, whatever you call them. You'll upload them with an Excel document one time. This takes a matter of minutes. Then you're going to invite your franchisees to link and sync their files. This is typically on a per file basis about 45 seconds. Once you've set up the name of the franchisee and added the location in here, you can send an email invitation out, and he simply logs in. They simply log in and link their file. Will automatically sync 3 years of data, and from that point on, we're going to sync that file every day automatically. So there's no more requesting data from your franchisees, and they don't have to do anything either. Then you can create custom report templates. You'll do that at one time. Here's I want to have a P&L like this and side by side like that, maybe a balance sheet, KPI report. You'll build that one time. And then you'll probably want to style that, make it look good, make it presentable, add any custom formulas that you wanted to add in there. But put the reports that you want in the formats that you want, style the way you want. And this is where you're going to live, is in the Publish Reports Monthly. You simply go in, click Run or Download, and because we're syncing this data every day, it's going to automatically update these reports regardless of the number of units that are in the field or the name of the franchise. It's automatically going to be there for you, and it's going to take you about 3 minutes a month to do this kind of thing. So the Qvinci's portal, when you go and look at the demo, we're going to lead off with the portal. So the portal, I will give you a little Venn diagram to give you an idea. The portal, imagine that you have a centralized database in the cloud, and you and your staff members, and I call it CFO and directors and franchise development reps, you and your staff are collaborating on the data from all your franchisee units in a standardized portal. So the CFO may have a login and he can see them all, and Director 1 can see franchises 1 through 67, and Director 2 sees franchise 68 through 99. Same thing here. You will arrange your staff and grant them rights to look at the franchisees that they can see. Now, your franchisees do not use the portal. Again, this is going to be something that you use at the corporate layer. The other thing that's really important is that with Qvinci and the portal and the way we do reporting, you're not going to be sending financial data, franchisee financial data, via email anymore. There's no need to send it via email anymore. We don't prohibit it, but Qvinci is a much more secure solution than using email for transmitting financial data between bodies inside your franchise corporate entity. We have one solution for franchise, Qvinci for franchises, and these are some of the major highlights. You're going to get the custom report builder. The solution can support an unlimited number of financial files. So whether you have 5 franchisees or you have 5,000 franchisees or more, the Qvinci for franchises will scale. You're going to get the templating, styling, and publishing, and you get consolidation and benchmarking. Imagine being able to consolidate and compare your businesses, your franchisees, by type and kind. I want to compare all the businesses that are in Colorado that have 2 drive-through lanes that do $2 to $3 million side by side. And imagine ultimately that your franchisees can do the same kind of benchmark comparison anonymously, not seeing each other, but compare themselves anonymously to peers just like them. And then, of course, we're going to give you that portal for you and your staff to use to collaborate and make more informed decisions without having to go out to a plurality of clients, of franchises, and gather that data. I appreciate you taking the time this morning. Please do contact us at franchises.qvinci.com to learn more, or this telephone number, or the email address you see on your screen.